Currently Saturday morning. Slept in, missed the Euro show, but I am in a barbershop chair. About to get this. What is this? What the fuck is this? About to get this chopped off. Alright, so I'm kind of upset. I was supposed to wake up early today and go to the M1 car show. It was Euro Day at M1 Concourse. It's like an hour drive from my house, which ain't that bad. But it was a huge turnout. I seen a bunch of posts and I'm pretty mad I freaking slept on it. Problem was I stayed up for 48 hours and I literally came home and crashed. My goal was to come home, stay up, and then get everything ready, get the girls up and all that, but I laid down and I crashed. So missed out on today's car show. We still have tomorrow though. Tomorrow is Cars by the Creek. That's an hour and a half away, but that's a for sure show that's gonna be happening. So that being said, since we're home, I got a little bit more cleaning to do on the car. Probably polish the lips and send it. So, but as of right now, since doing the alignment, I'm going to drive it on the highway and see if this thing actually drives straight with the wheel straight. I think it'll be all right because, I mean, we literally measured it with measuring tape, so everything should be fine. So yeah, I'm just pretty upset that we missed the European car show today. The one show where this car belongs. Unlike all the other shows I've been to, of course, I miss it. Just my luck. Alright, so we're getting on the highway. About to be doing 60. Doing 70. It's cruising straight. I think the alignment's good. I think we're good. Look at the price of this shit. $5.59. Are you serious? It's fucking ridiculous. So we just pulled up to this Toledo meet. Pretty decent turnout. You ready to go see some cars? Got Euro shit. Come on, sissy. Let's go. Come on, Evelyn. Come on, Evelyn. Come on, sissy. Hey, is this you? You're in Monroe, aren't you? No? There's an orange one with the same set of wheels, like, and I see it parked behind like this house in Monroe.
Really?
Yeah. That's funny, black wheels, gold hardware. I'm like, no shit.
Wow.
Yeah, it's odd. I'm like, it's like, no way.
I live out in Mars.
No shit. How long have you had it?
Since 2020.
Okay, so it's been a while. That's crazy. Bro, I wish I had a picture because I was like, this has to be that same car. But
I've
no.
never seen another orange one.
Yeah. I don't know if it's factory color or what, but yeah, dope, man. See, it's a Pro Charge. Yes, sir. It's fun. Come on, let's go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
And I cut the side stick.
No, come here.
Hey, come here. Come here.
Being nosy.
You being nice to everybody?
Why is everybody?
Say what? That's probably a club. Come on, Nev. Say thank you for the cookies. Wow. Oh, you figured it out. Good job, Avery.
Break it. No, not
did
the whole
it.
thing. Eat it.
Come on.
You're not perfect.
Let's go.
Drink like that. You want push? Push.
She's content.
I'm paranoid, in the hood,